Guys, was this it? Is the bull market now cancelled? Well, for me, absolutely not. Today I will talk about this big opportunity I'm seeing actually right now for Bitcoin. I will let you know my exact strategy, what I am doing personally with this drop from 31,848 down to this point of 29,999. So I am going to reveal everything for you. I'm going to talk about what I think is happening for Bitcoin right now. I'll give you an update on this chart I talked about yesterday. Traditional markets, the dollar index, why we did see a big drop for Bitcoin yesterday and why this is not a concern in the long term. In fact, a big opportunity. Also, of course, trading strategies right here. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's talk about this, guys. So yesterday, we actually saw from let's call it $32,000, we did see a big drop down to my exact line here. You can see how this continues to hold up. The Bitcoin price continues to be respected because during this big drop, it stopped here at $30,000 at the red line. And in fact, from this point, we did see a decent bounce. From this point, we have so far seen 1.48%. So that is very nice for Bitcoin. And this brings me actually to the point where I explain why we did see this drop and why I'm not too concerned. So we did see this drop yesterday when Binance, there was actually a report on the Wall Street Journal yesterday. Binance are laying off 1,000 employees, and this caused a lot of concern because if Binance are so profitable, if they are so successful, why are they laying off 1,000 people? And so this added to the coming FUD, like, you know, that I think that the Justice Department are going to drop charges against Binance. It's only a matter of time, and this is actually expected by the market overall right now. And you know that I've been saying that once you see this drop, when you see that come out, you are going to see a quick drop for Bitcoin. But I think that because everyone are expecting that, everyone will be buying up that dip pretty quickly. So I think that that could be a massive opportunity. So if we see those charges coming out, which I think they are going, but you see that come out, it goes down, Bitcoin goes down quickly, then accumulating and then riding that bounce. That is what I am going to do personally. So I just see that as a big opportunity. I'm not telling anyone to follow me here, but I am going to try to catch that knife and I'm going to try to ride that to the upside. So I will be putting in some levels here inside of the orange box, in fact, to be able to try to catch that drop and then ride it to the upside. So for me, it's a big opportunity. Although people are scared about this lawsuit coming out, and yes, there are of course some uncertainties with it, I think short term, since everyone are expecting it, buy the drop and then ride it to the upside. Just don't buy it like, so let's say we're at this point right here. Don't put your orders like this because you could see like a deeper drop. So you want to increase the bids the lower we go. So you put a little bit, let's say right here, you put more right here, and then the big buys, you have them down here. So when Bitcoin goes down, you get to fill maybe a couple of them at least. And if you get to fill, the lower we go, the bigger the entry, or the greater the entry. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. So we will see if that's going to be profitable or not. As always, I show you everything on the channel. And also, pay attention to this. I talked about this yesterday, how, basically watch my video yesterday if you don't know. But basically, whenever you've seen this structure before, usually we do see a massive rally, and this is the start of a new big bull run. Now, here's the thing. We could come down and retest this Gaussian channel, which is at 28,631. This is going to rise. But at some point, we could come down to like $29,000. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see that. So that would be the perfect thing if on the lawsuit, we come down to like a quick 28,600, 28,700, and then a bounce up to the upside. So there you have some price targets and some probabilities at least. Now, why am I not worried about this too much? Well, look at the traditional markets, guys. The traditional markets did see a big pump yesterday. Now, we did not manage to break through and stay above this red line. You can see that we were resisted right here, and then we had resistance right here, and we went down. In fact, now this orange line also became resistance. So we are right at resistance at traditional markets, yes, but still, I think that Bitcoin has some outperformance to do when it comes to compared to traditional markets. So I still think that Bitcoin has another it can go on another run here, even while traditional markets are going sideways or actually going down a little bit here. So that is like, because Bitcoin still, yes, it has outperformed the traditional markets, but I still think it can outperform it even better. Now, the dollar index has gone down, so this is good for assets in general. And you can see that we have failed this level on the dollar index, which is good. Dollar index breaking down. This is on the weekly time frame. So breaking down, and I still think that there's only a matter of time until we come down to the 89 level here on the dollar index, which would mean about 10% drop. Of course, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen during a few weeks or a few months even, but it's going to happen eventually over like a year, 2 years maybe. So yeah, going down there, and that is very, very good for Bitcoin. Everything is lining up, guys. And also, the CEO of BlackRock came out yesterday and said that Bitcoin can actually transcend any currency. So they are pumping Bitcoin, guys. Not only that, you can see that he also said that they are seeing massive demand from gold investors. So when they start really pushing this, and I will make a separate video about what I think the ETF is going to mean for Bitcoin, so make sure to subscribe and activate the bell. So I will actually talk about that in a separate video, but this is massive for Bitcoin. I will show you the reasons why. Now, for my trading strategies, you can see that they have accumulated some significant positions. Bitcoin fast bought 7, Ethereum fast bought 8, 5 on the cycle bots, and 5 on the slow bots, 4 on the cycle bots. So what I've done, guys, is the usual thing. When you have big orders, I have lowered the the take profit price. So I need Bitcoin to reach like 30,800 in general. No, 30,000. Call it $31,000. Then all of the profits will be taken on the Bitcoin bots. For Ethereum, I needed to reach about 1,970, and then all of these orders are going to be, or all of these bots are going to take profit on those positions as well. So this is what's happening, guys. And yeah, I hope that this was helpful to you. If you want to use these trading strategies yourself, you know you have the link in the description. Right here, OKX claim up to $60,000. Click this link right here, click join now, meaning you're eligible for the bonuses. Then you can come down. You have the cycle bots, you have the slow bots, fast bots with one click, you can set them up. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.